is what you'll need to make my kebabs with aubergines. You'll need some lamb mince, aubergines of course, a couple of cloves of garlic, a couple of chili peppers, an onion, and then your herbs and spices, which are all available in your local Asian markets if you pop along. Paprika, something called Sumac, which is Turkish really. Coriander, Oregano, Cumin, garlic powder, ginger, lemon pepper, onion powder and chilli. Don't worry about it if you haven't got all those, just use what you've got. First thing we're going to do is peel your garlic, chop up your chili peppers and your onion and put it into a mini blender. If you haven't got a mini blender, then just chop them up as best you can. With everything peeled and stripped, it's time to pop them into the blender. I've de-seeded the chilies because you don't want to bite into one of them hard chili seeds, because you're putting chili powder in it anyway, so it'll be hot enough. And you're going to have to chop these roughly because you're going to let the machine do the work. Into a bowl with your mince, give it a good coating of salt, and then it's in with a tablespoon each of your herbs and spices. Lastly, your chopped up onion, pepper and garlic, and then you're going to get your hands dirty and get it all squelched together. With your mixture made, it's time to go on to your aubergines. Cut the ends off, and then we're going to cut them in about centimetre slices. With your aubergine sliced, it's time to get them onto your skewers. You can use these metal ones if you like, but I prefer the wooden ones, bit of authenticity. Give them a soak in water before you use them. And what you're going to do, just get a piece of your aubergine, a piece of your mixture, another piece of aubergine, another piece of mixture, piece of aubergine, etc, etc, until you've filled your kebab sticks. There you are, good to go. When they're ready, just get a bit of olive oil onto your hands. Just give it a rub round on each kebab. That'll just help it cook. And these want to go in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Halfway through its cooking process, take it out because you're going to want to turn it to ensure it all gets cooked, and then pop it back in the oven. When it's been in the oven 40 minutes or more, depending upon your oven, it's time to take it out. How to serve it, you're just going to push it with a glove or something on your hand off your kebab skewer and onto a plate or silver foil if you want to treat it like a proper kebab, and then enjoy it.